Good afternoon, children. Today is your trigonometry online class part 14. Prove the identities part 2. If sine alpha, now this sign means alpha. Alpha, instead of theta we write alpha. This is a new type of sums. That's why I am explaining to you what this sign means. This sign is alpha. Instead of theta we are writing what? Sine alpha is equal to x and tan alpha is equal to y. Then prove 1 plus x square minus 1 by y square is equal to 1. Now sine alpha is equal to x. It is given over here, and tan alpha is equal to y. Sine, instead of sine, what is we can write? Cosec. Cosec alpha is equal to 1 by x. Why I have written sine? Because one reciprocal of sine is cosec, and instead of 1 by, if I have to change it to 1 by y, then I will use, instead of tan, cot. Cot alpha is equal to 1 by y. Now if you add, we know cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta means 1 by x square, and cot square, instead of cot square we will write 1 plus y square, and that is equal to 1. So we have proved that cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. We have proved that sine alpha x and tan alpha y is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 by y square is equal to 1. Next proof. If cos theta is equal to x divided by root over x square plus y square, then prove x sin theta equals to y cos theta. We know cos theta is equal to x by root over of x square theta plus y square theta. So sin square theta, we know all that. By this time we should know the identity. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 minus what is cos theta? Cos square theta is x square, and since we are squaring the roots gets cancelled. Now we are getting 1 minus x square by x square plus x plus y. Since there is nothing over here, we will do the LCM. Here LCM, this will get multiplied with 1. So we will write x square plus y square minus x square all divided by x square plus y square. X square plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Y square, x square plus y square. Now sine square y is equal to y square, x square plus y square. Then what is sine theta? Root over of it, and since it is root, x, there we will write y, and this will come under root x plus y, x square plus y. Now x sin theta. What is x sin theta? Means x into sin theta. That is equal to xy divided by, since with this you multiply x. So x into y divided by root over of x square plus y square. Again cos theta is equal to y cos theta. We know cos theta is x divided by root over of x square plus y square. So x into y divided by x square in plus y square. So we have proved both the values are coming same. Both the values are coming same. So we can write that x sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Proved. Thank you. Next sum. If sin x is equal to 3 by 5 and cos y is equal to 12 by 30, find sec square x, number 1, and number 2, tan x plus tan y. So this sum has two parts. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So what is cos square x? Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So we know what is sin x. Sin x is equal to 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5 square. 1 minus 9 by 25. That is equal to 25 minus 9 by 25. That is 16 by 25. So cos square x is equal to 16 by 25. Cos x is equal to root over 16 by 25. That is 8 by 5. So what is cos? Cos is 1 by sec. So sec square x is equal to 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to what? 1 by 16 by 25. Just you turn it up, it is 25 by 16. So we got the first answer, sec square x is equal to 25 by 16. Next part, tan x plus tan y. Now we know sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square x is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So what is sec square theta? 25 by 16. So 25 by 16 minus 1 is equal to 9 by 25. So what is tan x? Root over of, since tan square x was 9 by 25, then tan x is root over of 9 by 25, that is 3 and 5. 3 by 5. Cos y is equal to 12 by 13. So sec y is equal to 13 by 12, just the opposite. You have to find the reciprocal of it, 13 by 12. So tan square y is equal to sec square y is equal to 1. That means 13 by 12 square minus 1. So 13 by 12 square means 169 by 144 minus 1. Do the LCM, you will get 20, excuse me, 25 by 144. That is equal to 5 by 12. So tan y is equal to 5 by 12. Now what is tan x plus tan y? Tan x we have got already 3 by 5 and tan y is 5 by 12. Just you add it. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. LCM will be 12, and since 4 goes into 12 3 times, that 3 will be multiplied with this 3. So 3 3s are 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14 by 12. If you reduce it, it will be 7 by 6. So tan x plus tan y is equal to 7 by 6. Alright, and coming with the last sum, and then I'll give you your classwork. Now next sum. Cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Find the value of cos 5 theta plus sin 9 theta. So the power, instead of square, now it is 5 and 9. Here cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. So instead of sec theta, we can write cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. So now you can just do the LCM. We will get cos square theta plus 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 2. We know cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. So cos square theta is equal to 2 cos theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Or cos theta is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0, or cos theta is equal to 1. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to root over of, because we know sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to root over of 1 minus cos theta. So we know cos theta is equal to 1. So 1 square, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to 0 and cos theta is equal to 1. Now the required value, cos 5 theta plus sin 9 theta is equal to 1 to the power 5, because cos is 1. 1 to the power 5 and sin is equal to 1 to the power 9. So that is equal to 1. We know that, and today's classwork is exercise 23. Instead of this, you can see 0 by 9. So we will get 1 only. Now today's classwork is exercise 23.3. 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to try it on your own. All the sums, check my previous videos also. More or less sums have been done with you all. So you just give a try. Similar sums. Exercise 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next class will start with the complementary angles. Thank you children. Any problem, contact me in this number 9875441516. Thank you.